will work on a variety of surfaces, not just shopping cart. I use these DIY wipes in public restrooms, in the car, at home and more. Today's video will discuss how to make homemade wipes. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Homemade wipes, great for many uses. I had been buying commercial disinfecting wipes to use on our shopping cart, but then I read the list of ingredients. Among them were polysulfate, fragrance, parabens, 4 different ones, and the active ingredients benzalkonium chloride. Pretty much some of the worst ingredients that can come in contact with your skin. The specific card wipe offers a grocery store entrance were just as bad, if not worse, than the ones I had in my purse. So naturally I decided I could do better. I began searching for some natural homemade wipes that would have friendlier ingredients and a lower price tag. I ended up creating my own solutions and I love it. Homemade wipes, DIY shopping cart wipes. Ingredients: 1 paper towel roll, 1 large glass or plastic jar with lid, 1/4 cup distilled or filtered water. DIY Natural recommends these water filtration systems. 3/4 cup high-proof ethyl alcohol, as known as grain alcohol or rubbing alcohol, 40 drops tea tree essential oil. Instructions. Number 1. To make homemade wipes, cut a paper towel roll with a sharp knife to fit the height of your container. At this point, you should be able to easily slide the cardboard tubes out of the paper towel roll. Number 2. Push your cut paper towel roll into your jar, squeezing it to fit it if necessary. Number 3. In a separate bowl, mix alcohol, water and tea tree essential oil. Stir well. Number 4. Slowly pour the alcohol mixture into your jar containing the cut paper towel roll. You should be able to see the liquid soaking into the paper towels. Number 5. When it looks like the alcohol mixture has come into contact with the entire roll of paper towels, stop pouring. If it looks like the bottom of the paper towel roll is still dry, mix a little more of the alcohol solutions and continue to pour. Number 6. Cap your container and let the mixture soak into the paper towel for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 7. After 5 to 10 minutes, open the jar and gently pull the first paper towel from the middle of the roll. This will allow the wipes to come out of the container in an easily dispensable way to use. At the grocery store, rub down the cart thoroughly with 1 to 2 wipes. Wait 30 seconds before grabbing handles or placing a towel in the cart. Discard wipes in the trash after use. These homemade wipes will work on a variety of surfaces, not just shopping cart. I use them in public restrooms, in the car, and so many icky messes. Just remember to keep the wipes out of reach of children and away from flames, as the tube contains a high percentage of alcohol. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.